Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Servicing a Potterton Performa. It's a Performa 24. Check the case seal is still good. Safe isolation. Gas valve off. By the way, I have a mask on. Okay, so you want to get these screws in first at the bottom and then do the ones at the top afterwards. Then you want to get the grommets at the top on the case and then screw these in, ensuring you have a good seal. Fuse back in, turn boiler to high rate, run a tap. Now I'm checking the burner pressure. I've already done my flue gas analysis at the top. You'll need an Allen key in order to disconnect that. It's the one in the center. But now I'm checking my burner pressure. Manufacturer stipulate that it should be 12.2 at the burner pressure. If you want to adjust, it's here underneath the dust cap. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.